How to remove a file from Winrar. Here on my desktop I have an archive, let's open it, and here I have the three documents, a photo, a Word document named homework, and another document named math. And let's see how can we remove one of these files from inside this archive document from Winrar. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to press here on extract. Now let's select where to extract these files. I will select desktop, you can extract it wherever you want. Now I'll press on OK, alright. And now I just extracted all the files from inside this Winrar. Now we can delete it because we don't need it anymore. Alright, and now let's create another RAR archive with these documents, but instead let's delete this homework which was inside it. I just press on delete, and what I want to do now, I will select both files with the exception of the file that I just deleted, and now I want to right click on one of them. You will have Winrar right here, and now select add to archive. And let's name this document new document, and very important .rar. Alright, archive method, leave it on RAR. You can also select zip if you want, but RAR it's better than the zip. Compression method, select best from here, and also you can mark here create solid archive. This setting will help if you have similar files inside it. Okay, also select browse to select where to save this RAR, this document. I will select desktop, press on save, and now we can press on OK. And we created the new archive. Let's open it, and inside it I have these files with the exception of the file that we deleted. So this is how to remove a file from Winrar from an archive. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.